Welcome to another video by GDS Estimating, and this is for our newest release to the WinBidPro software, which is version 15.14.3. And as you know, the program will automatically update itself when you close it and reopen it. So it checks to see if a new update's on our site, and then it automatically installs it when you reopen the program. So this will happen just automatically, silently, so you won't even know, but you will know what update or version, I guess, you're using by looking at the top of the window here of the WinBidPro software. So also remember that on our website you can still find the kind of breakdown for what is in the updates, and we call it a change log. And let me back up a little bit here. So the change log is under the downloads page, and then you'll see view change log. So if I go to that, it's always going to have the latest release at the top. So we just released the version 14, which is, we call it a minor update, I guess, or major. Maybe it's a major update. But yeah, so that warrants a video that kind of explains what's happened to that update. So there was a little bug fix just pretty quick after we released, but the main things I want to talk about are these enhancement items here under this list. So the door frames and doors windows have been updated. So if we were to go to door frames here, this is the newer window with a newer grid, like a lot of the other windows in the software have been improved with. So you've got your search capability for the full search string, and then you can still search through different columns, like specific columns for unique things by just checking a box, or it's the same as all the other updated grids, but you can have something's equal to, or contains, or ends with, starts with, and all that. So it's kind of a quick way. One of the nice things about this new having this for doors is, like, if I want to look at 36-inch doors only, there's really only 36, 42, and 72 in this one FCO catalog. So it's easy for me just to check the 36 box, and now it's showing me all the 36 stuff. And then if same thing goes, if I click this little funnel tool and I want left doors that are 36, then that shows me those. If I want offsets, so it's fairly simple to, instead of having to type the string like you used to have to in the old grid, you can actually just select it from the list here. So, you know, if I want butt hung, so it filters as you do that kind of thing, and you'll notice the filter is active if it's blue instead of black. And then I can simply hit clear filter if I want to go back to the entire list. And so that's basically one of the changes in the 0.14 update. And another one is the door leaves window, I believe, has also been updated. So same exact thing, where it's the more modern grid and window, and it's got all those modern filtering tools. So aside from that, the actual doors tab in the drawing window has been updated, and this is a modern grid that we've added so that when doors are added, they're added here. And let me find you a job that has those. Let's see here. Okay, so here we have a job that has a single door left hinge in panel 2. And you'll notice this is a little different than it used to be. Like, it shows the panel number for both the door frame and the door leaf in one kind of section. And it's all colored blue. It shows the style, the hinge, and the frame type. And then you've still got, we did these updates a little while ago where you can edit the frame, swap the frame, which means you want to change it to a completely different frame, or remove the entire entrance. Or for the door leaf, we can edit that, you know, add parts to it, add hardware, whatever, swap it to a completely different door, or remove the door and leave the frame. So all those options are there, but But the main thing is it displays it a little differently in this window here. And I think we needed to do that because there were some bugs that were occurring that were kind of intermittent with the old grid that showed the old door information. So we wanted to take care of that. And speaking of bugs, these are the bug fixes if you look at this change log. And that'll kind of break down the bug fixes. And you can always go back to older updates and see what's been done in the past. And don't forget, you can use your search feature for your browser to find something that, like up here, I can type in whatever I want to find on this page and it'll find it. So if you're looking for a fix for a certain feature, you can always use your find feature in your browser on this page to find something in the change log. So that's about it for the 0.14 update, and stay tuned for more, but always check this change log, or of course your program will automatically update, and you can see that by looking at this top bar here on your program when it's open. So that's it. Thank you.